We'll be out at 6 o'clock in the evening. So the real boredness begins.
Whoa! Ah, that really changed me up a lot. Ilang years na to? 3 years na yan. The third year of this convention, I guess. And I'm going to say, hey, what's up guys, Beneficials Katazar. Welcome back to another episode of Vlogs. Another 200 plus episodes. Yeah, that's right. So another convention for today. Siyempre, the 13th B-Side Regional Convention. Yeah. Pero naiingit pa rin ako sa mga Region 11 ng P-Seats nila kasi may taken sila. Bakit kasi wala dito? Paki Code M pati ano lang, pati Dota 2 lang. Or ay hindi, Code M pati ML lang. Walang taken. Walang Dota 2. May upcoming daw na taken sa SO days namin. So this is a good thing. Para lang makalaro rin kami. So I'm excited to play that game too. Pero sino mag-host? Kaya Lord is it? Moving on, and let's focus for the convention. So, syempre meron kaming 2 locations. One from the hotels, which is the Marbel, and 2 for the conventions sa Tupi. So matagal rin kami na magbiyahe. And that makes me like very boring place of a convention because of Tupi, which is a province na hindi kami pwede makalagan kahit resort pa yan or garden na yung ipuntahan ko last time, such as Mariano or the SG Farm or the Hertzpine Resort. Hindi pwede yan kasi malayo na yan siya. Eh, hindi pwede. No. Pero pwede na rin ako malaga ng Marbel just like last year. Maybe, just maybe na magpunta kami doon. Hopefully, katulad lang rin ng last year, me and AJ planning to go to Daisuke again. That's right. With someone, a friend of mine too. Pero hindi sa part sa Kalokohan Boys, but it's kind of look like it. Kasi naglalaro din siya ng Uno with us. Pero kasama with Ben and Marv and Kirby, hindi pa kasama yet. Kami lang talaga tatlo. Parang separated lang kasi. Ibang grupo ka gano'n. NDU, Kalokohan Boys, mga ganyan. Anyways, hintay pa na kami ng ibang van para lang makasakay na kami lahat. And I'm still waiting for AJ too. Because he's overslept just like last year. I don't know about last 2 years. Basta kasi ang kasama ko noon si Ben pa last 2 years ago. Now we'll wait.
I wanna go outside. Pangin lang ako. Yep, meron. Yeah.
Ay, ikaw?
Excuse me. Oras na tayo. Punta tayo pop doon sa 18. Pop. Tara pop. balik SPDA. That's the shit. Kisashiburi da da. Kisashiburi SPDA.
Damn. Pwede pala may extra. Alright. Let's see anong sa loob. I wanna see. Damn. Ah, ganun lang pala. Let me see our review. See our review. Damn. May shower. Damn, may shower. May init, may lamig. Damn. Why? Excited talaga kami basta may shower. Alright.
And let's just forget about this Mew Mew right over there.
Okay. Sorry, Mew.
I can feel the jealousy. Oh.
Layo pa palang ano. Punta doon. Diyan na? Tamayo?
Dito na tayo, Jay.
Dito na tayo.
Ba't ka nag-record?
Vlogs!
Ba't ka nag-record sa akin?
Vlogs kasi hindi naman ang daanan papunta. Oo, di naman daan o. I-record yung van. Isa.
Saan tayo? Nag-YouTube.
Wait, sobrang? Ah.
Sobrahan?
Sobrang.
Okay.
Ah, dyan sa Tamayo. Ay, dyan na. Ay, ito.
Mapalitan.
Damn. Dyan pala yun. May signal? May signal. Damn.
3 bars.
Damn. Here we are. Sa loob ng CIT. AG. Neil. Di ba papale?
I know.
Chansing. Ito tayo sa loob ng ano, kasi. Damn. Damn.
Tala, plus armor tayo.
Ha?
Plus armor.
Cyber. Alright. Here we are. The place. CIT or see it. Hello, AJ. You need a boat? You take it back. Ah, crap. There's another. Parang CSU lang. Damn, there's another school. Malatukan. Tumakan. school is this? Southern Christian College. Ah, SEC. Anyway, Sultan Kudarat State University. John? Damn, John. Where's Nix? John? Makasya ba tayo lahat dyan? Tayo makasya niyan. Damn, is this for free? No, I don't think it's for free. Or is this? Free. Oh, yes! Kunin ko lahat, bar nuts. Pati pulburon. Sa'yo po. John! Nagkapoy man mo mag-upo eh.
Saan tayo?
Anywhere. Pwede dyan no? Sa dyan.
Saan na journey?
Not here. Oh well, dito na lang mag-upo. Dito na tayo tatlo.
Yay! Time check 1:36. Yeah, we'll be out at 6 o'clock in the evening. So the real boredness begins.
Ugly.
Cut in 4K kayo.
Business. Dito sa canteen mag-practice. Ay, simbahan pala to. Kala ko canteen. Problems. Dyan pa lang canteen. Otro, practice rin. Oh, sa playground. Damn! Makabase mag-ano mo, cheer dance natin. Since high school pa. Okay. Shun. Really? Huh. Alright. Alright. No smelly shit. It's good. Nice.
Ano lang tayo pag bored tayo? Slide tayo. Yeah. Why not? No? Why the fuck not? Oh. Eh lang oh. Akyat. Pagkatapos dito, oh. Cross the bridge. Ayun nyo man. Hindi kayo magkano? Happy kayo. You bunch of pussies. Damn. I don't know if... Ganun tayo pag bored. Yeah. Pansin ko gani oh. Ah, yung basa. Oh, butas rin dyan. Ah. Grabe ka slow. We. Yeah, that's pretty boring. Well, try na yung seesaw. Yeah, seesaw. AJ, go! Come on, slide! Come on, take a slide! Aww. Oh, dyan. Hindi naman siya mabilis mag-slide. Ha?
Doon na lang sa kabila, AJ.
Oh, yun lang sa kabila.
Come on, AJ. Go do it.
Come on, baby AJ, go! Aww. Killjoy ito.